When a mouse wheel exhibits noticeable stuttering or malfunction, it is often caused by prolonged high-frequency use leading to dust, accumulation on the wheel edges, or insufficient lubrication in the mechanical structure. Systematic disassembly and maintenance are required, with specific procedures as follows. Step 1. Remove the bottom anti-slip pads. Step 2. Unscrew the bottom screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Step 3. Gently pry open the seam between the top and bottom shells. Apply slow, even pressure along the mouse's edge to avoid breaking the clips. Step 4. Immediately disconnect the motherboard ribbon cable. Use a pinch and lift motion on the connector. Do not pull the cable itself. Step 5. After removing the 4 bracket screws, disconnect the button board ribbon cable before unscrewing the button board. Step 6. Carefully remove the scroll wheel. Step 7. Clean the wheel axle, bracket U-slot, and encoder gear 360 with a microfiber cloth and electronic cleaner. Pay special attention to dust in the encoder's grating slots. Step 8. Apply a small amount of TIFI grease to both sides of the bracket's U-slot. Avoid excess grease, which can seep onto the circuit board. Follow the small to large principle. Reinstall the button board, secure bracket screws, connect ribbon cables, align clips, tighten screws, reattach the bottom pads.